Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer experiences with Qualtrics, full guide step by step clearly. To manage customer experiences with Qualtrics, start by creating a Qualtrics account if you haven't done so already. Log into your account and navigate to the Projects page. Select Create Project to begin. Choose Survey from the options provided to develop a customer experience survey. Start with a template or from scratch, depending on your preferences. For a template, browse the available choices in the library. Once you've selected a template, customize it to fit your brand and specific goals. Add questions that will help gauge customer satisfaction and insights. Utilize a mix of question types such as multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scales. Make sure your questions are clear and concise to encourage honest feedback. After crafting your survey, proceed to the survey flow section. Here, you can configure branch logic to tailor the survey experience based on responses. Once your survey structure is complete, preview it to check for any necessary adjustments. Next, set distribution methods for your survey. Qualtrics provides various options, including email, social media, and QR codes. Select the method that best reaches your target audience. After distributing the survey, monitor responses in real time through the dashboard. Analyze the data collected by examining trends and patterns in customer feedback. Utilize Qualtrics' built-in reporting tools to visualize your findings effectively. Create customized reports to share insights with your team or stakeholders. Use the information gathered to identify areas for improvement in your customer experience. Develop action plans based on your findings to enhance customer satisfaction. Lastly, continually engage with customers and follow up on their feedback for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.